how to sell your book using YouTube for published authors. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetino Media, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a YouTube channel, your own YouTube channel, to sell your book. So this video is for published authors, and I have here an example of one of our students. This is Brenda Smit-James. And as you can see here, she's got a book and she's got a channel. So I'm going to go through how she's able to sell her book with her YouTube channel. So like I said, Brenda is a student of ours, and she went through our program called The Profitable Channel, which is a YouTube course that shows you how to have a profitable channel. And in this case, Brenda's using it to sell her book. So first thing you notice right off the bat here is Brenda's channel looks professional. It looks legit. She's got a nice banner going on. The book is right there on the banner. You have her photo on there. It has her name. It says write your story. New videos every week on writing your memoir. So here's the cool thing about Brenda's channel. She wrote a memoir herself of a story about her and what she was going on with her family, and in particular her mother. It's a crazy story. I highly recommend reading it. And so that's her book there on the top left. Here's the thing here. If you look at her videos, you can see that she's posting tutorials on tips on how to write a memoir, because that's Brenda's specialty. She wrote a memoir herself, and so she's releasing tutorial videos on how she was able to write her memoir. And she also references other people's memoirs too. Now, Brenda doesn't just sell her book on her YouTube channel. She actually also sells coaching, a service to help people write their memoirs. So if you need a mentor to write your memoir, she actually offers that as well. And she also does affiliate marketing. And when she meets YouTube's requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, she will also earn Google ad revenue off of her videos. So she's not just using her channel to sell her book, she's actually using her channel to build multiple income streams, which is what we teach in the Profitable Channel. Oh, and another thing I want to point out is Brenda has less than 1,000 subscribers, 616 subscribers at the time of filming this video. And here's the cool thing, it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have, you can still sell your book through your YouTube channel, even though you don't have a crazy amount of subscribers. So let's dive into one of Brenda's videos. Okay, so this is her latest video, how to start writing a memoir, first steps to writing a memoir. Now, Brenda gives great value in her tutorial videos. I can't stress this enough. When you want to sell something, you have to give the viewer really good value, and then they'll feel more inclined to purchase something from you. If you're just constantly doing videos like buy my book, nobody's going to want to buy your book. You're just going to be that pushy salesperson. So always make sure to provide value in your videos. And Brenda does just that. Next, you can see here in the description of Brenda's videos, which by the way, the description of your YouTube videos is the money maker. And I see so many people don't put anything in their description, put one sentence in their description, or they put too much in their description and it just looks way too cluttered. So Brenda's description, check this out right here. It says, get my memoir when God says no. And she's got 2 affiliate links, Amazon USA and Amazon Canada. And so when she's teaching, the tutorial on how to write a memoir, she's oftentimes referencing her own memoir book of her own story that she wrote. And she's directing people down to the description. And if people feel that Brenda has given value, they might very well feel inclined to purchase her book through Amazon. And so when people come to the description and they're like, yeah, you know what, she's helped me so much, I watch all her videos, I'm going to buy her memoir. And they click on the Amazon link and they go here and she's got her book ready to go. And if you're a published author, you likely have your book already on Amazon ready to go. And because it's on Amazon, it's trusted, it's easy to purchase, it gets delivered in a couple days. And so people purchase from here and she makes a sale from her book. Now, going back to Brenda's homepage here of her YouTube channel, like I said, everything looks cohesive. It looks professional. She looks like she's a writer. She's consistent. She's active. She's providing value to the viewer. And she's giving the viewer a chance to purchase from her. A lot of people do YouTube videos, and they're like wondering why they don't make any money on their channel. And it's because they're not selling. They don't have any links. They don't have a product. They don't have a service. And it's no wonder why your channel isn't making anything. It's because you don't have anything to purchase. So Brenda is a great example of how to sell your published book using your YouTube channel. And I remember when Brenda first started her channel, she didn't have any subscribers and she just put in the work and she was consistent. She went through the course, she followed the steps. And now she's building multiple income streams, making sales, getting students. And I'm extremely excited for her YouTube journey. So definitely go check out Brenda's channel. Her link will be down in the description below. And if you are interested in getting the Profitable Channel course, like I said, Brenda went through it, followed the steps, implemented what she learned, and this is to show from it. If you are interested in taking a look at that course, head down to the description. I've got 2 links. A link for a free training where we go through in more depth how we've built our own channel in the same way that we teach it in the course. And the second link is a direct link to purchase the course. If you're ready to get started, you don't want to mull around, and you want to create a profitable channel, just go to that second link. All right, that's all I've got for this video. Give this one a thumbs up if you thought it was cool, and I'll see you in the next video.